Hey beauties, in this look I'm doing my final tutorial for my Too Faced holiday series, and this time I'm using the Let It Snow Girl collection. All palettes are here. I took them out because I'm throwing this box away. And it comes with 3 different palettes. It comes with a palette of 19 eyeshadows, a palette of 4 blushes, and then a palette with a bronzer and a highlighter. I did use majority of the products except the bronzer does not work on my skin complexion, so that's just a heads up. For the bronzer, I'll just show you, it's not complimenting at all on darker skin tones. That's it there. So, as you can see, it pretty much blends in with my hand. So it just says no for the face. Even though my hands are darker than my face, but it doesn't work. So I skipped it. I ended up using a blush as a contour / blush for the look. Stay tuned. So my brows are already done. I'm taking an eyeshadow primer, my Too Faced Shadow Insurance, which does not come in this set. It comes in one of the other sets. I think the Christmas Star palette. Well, no, Christmas Cookie something palette or collection. It comes in there. I'm just gonna apply this to the eyes. Okay, today I'll be using the Too Faced Let It Snow Girl collection. It's this collection of 3 palettes and a mascara. There's a palette of Too Faced products, a palette of 4 face products, and 19 eyeshadows. So I'm gonna start with eyes, as I always do. And that's this circular palette here. Okay, so I haven't thought about what I'm gonna do. Y'all shouldn't be surprised there. I kind of want to go green this time. First, I'm gonna start with the crease. And I'm taking Obviously, which is this reddish brown here. And I'm taking this in the crease. This is a Coastal Scents BRC N08 brush. In the inner crease, I'm going to take this color called Tiny Prancer. It's like a cranberry shimmer. That. I'm using the same brush. This is going in my inner crease, blending in with the other color. Taking a little more of the other color. I'm dusting that completely off. I'm taking a lighter color in the palette. This is Cookie Butter, that color there. Going in with that as my brow highlight. Moving on to the lid. I want to do green this time. I have not used green. Red. I think, yeah, I did use red. I just haven't posted yet. This is called Treat Your Elf. That color there. This is a shimmery emerald green pretty much. Maybe a little hunter. It's darker. It's not super emerald, but taking a flat brush. Lower Cornell Maxine's mop brush. And packing this on the inner lid. For the outer V, I'm taking a dark brown in the palette, darkest brown. This is Chocolate Wasted, that color there. I'm just using an e.l.f. contour brush. I'm just going to go back and forth between the colors until I have the perfect blend. For the lower lash line, I'm taking Blues Eye Kohl from MAC. It's just a navy. I'm stopping shy at the inner corner. I'm setting the blue part with Blissmas. It's this color here. Using the end of my flat brush. Using the exact same brush, dusting it off, and I'm taking this glitter. I have to use the glitter, it's like my favorite in the palette. This is Snow Globe. Globe as in Glowbe. This is going on the inner corner. In the upper tear duct, I'm going to take this color called Break the Ice, this color, and dust in the same brush off. Use different ones if you want. This is going to be in the very inner corner here. So literally minimal, but you'll still be able to see it, like that. I'm not going to do anything complicated with the liner. I'm just doing black this time. I think in the last two I've used colored liners. Not today. This is the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner in black. For concealer, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Mocha. Apply some mascara, the Too Faced Better Than Sex. This isn't the one that comes in the kit. The one that comes in the kit has like candy cane stripes, but I'm not opening two, so I'm going to use this one. I'm throwing on some lashes. I don't have them in the case because I literally just took them off from another look. But these are the Red Cherry 113s. I'll probably be able to see them better when I put them on. But let me attempt to show you now. Look like that. Moving on to face. I'm just going to take my Dior Air Flash Spray Foundation in 501. I'm blending it out with an e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So as far as bronzers, the one that's in the palette definitely isn't going to work for me. It's way too light. Like, there's no point in me even trying it. So I'm not going to do bronzer. I'm just going to do highlighter. I'm going to take the one that's in this palette, the Angel Wings, that's the other color on this side. And I said I hated this color yesterday. Let's see if I could change my mind somehow. But it just wasn't, you know, special. This is a MAC 138. Okay, it looks better on the skin than it does swatched. Done with this palette now. For blush, I'm gonna go with the darker one actually. This is Christmas Dream. This is the 4P blush palette. Take that one. And I use it as a contour and a blush. This is a Bare Minerals Full Tapered Shadow and Blush Brush. Let's see how this works. I'm just going to make sure that's blended well into the skin. Done with that palette now. Now as far as lip colors, there are none in this collection. So, I believe I'm going to go with the color that I used in the last look, which was in another collection. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Long-Wearing Lipstick in Gingerbread Man. I think it would complement the look really well. I hope you all enjoyed my 3 looks. Well, yeah, I did the 3 looks, but my look this time with the 3 palettes from the collection, and also my 3 looks in general from the 3 different Too Faced holiday collections that are limited edition. All 3 of them are limited edition. I'll have them linked below. I'll have my other 2 videos linked below, so you can check those out in case you've missed them. I've really enjoyed creating these. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching them. Please rate the video, subscribe, turn your post notifications on if they aren't already on. I'll talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.